is the recitation of verses from the Holy Quran. I call upon Shoaib Qazi of 10N for the recitation and Ibrahim Omar of 10N for the translation. I would request for all of you to take the prayer position.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان. الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. صدق الله العظيم.
The benefits of taught the Quran. He has created man, and he has taught him speech. The sun and the moon adhere to a schedule, and the stars and the trees rotate. And the heavens he raised high, and he has set the balance, that you do not transgress within the balance, and establish the weight with justice, and do not make deficient the balance. And the earth he laid for the creatures. Therein are fruits, and palm trees with sheeped fruit, and corn with husking fruit. So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? Sadaqallah.
The next item in our program is the national anthem and the school song, presented by Ayan Sayyed of 10N. I would request for all of you to please join in. I would now like to call Ali Afzal from 11C to share some words of motivation with all of us.
Good morning. My name is Ali Afzal Qasim and I'm from class 11C. The World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June every year for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment. The food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the climate that makes our planet habitable all come from the nature. Yet, these are exceptional times in which nature is sending us a message. To take care of ourselves, we must take care for future. It is time to wake up, to take notice, to raise our voices. It is time to build back better for people and planet. This World Environment Day, it is time for nature.
Thank you, Ali. Those words are very uplifting. I hope you all felt better after hearing them. Friends, as you know, we are here to celebrate World Environment Day. Mohammad Muzammil from 11T has written a poem about this topic, which he will now present.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Muzammil Munir. I am from class 11T and today I am going to recite a poem about World Environment Day. My heart cries, my soul is breathless. Where is, where is the serene air? Why has the autumn grown immortal? Where is the lone cloud I loved? Where is the night with twinkling stars? My branches are withering. The sky is like a wuthering vacuum. Metal rings. The sharp years comes and I die. With no peace but a shriek. Farewell, farewell, says the soul of the world. Find me, oh devastated human. Oh weepy child, cry hard. We'll meet you soon, O wind. Who will purify you now, O wind? Atone your sins, O brutal humans, for you will miss me hard. With her body ill and weak. Thank you.
Wow, that was very inspirational poetry. Now let's connect for our planet as we show you all the amazing posters that our classes designed in honor of World Environment Day. Just look at all these vibrant, thought provoking creations. I am proud to say that the Senior Boys section is so artistic and passionate about making a positive impact on the world. Finally, Fizan Shakur of 10C is here to ask you to take the Citizens Pledge.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Faizan Shakur and I am from class 10C. Please go to the chat box and open the link for the pledge and read with me. We hereby pledge that from this day onwards, we will strive to maintain sustainable environmental standards, personally and professionally. We will refuse whatever we can't reuse. We will serve as an example of a healthy life practitioner and will commit to and encourage the reduction of use of plastic materials. We will protect the coastal resources. We will protect our forestries and we will perform our part in reducing all kinds of pollution. We will give back in every way we can to our people and to our planet together, because together only can we truly make a difference. We all agree to abide by the pledge we made for the sake of our own future and the upcoming generation. Please submit the form as acknowledgement. Thank you and stay safe.
We would like to conclude our program with a few words from our headmistress, Miss Ojala.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourselves. We miss you at school and pray to see you back soon. I am glad and appreciate your efforts to design the posters, plant the trees and sending us the pictures. I expect everyone to attend online classes regularly and submit assignment to the teachers and receive the feedback. I appreciate the hard work and dedication of the teachers to shift their strategies on online teaching and making it all possible efforts to make it a success. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, please take good care of yourself. And remember, I own DK.
Okay.
With that, we end our morning program. We hope you have a great day and good luck with your online classes.
Mashallah. Mashallah. Very good.